This will prevent you from constantly alt-tabbing from your primary display. As they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's exactly what Darko has done in the past 15 years with his desk. I'm surprised it's still held up and looks practically new. On the desk, we got the Apple Maker V65 paired with an X-Lite V2 mouse and a pair of Edifier speakers. I'm definitely seeing a lot of warm color tones in the setup, which complements the green plants nicely to give off an earthy theme, as they call it. The PC has also been put through the test of time with an i5 9600K and an RTX 5600 XT. It might be lacking in the aesthetics department, but it doesn't really matter considering the PC is tucked away in the corner anyways. A very modest setup with a touch of personality. Thank you, Darko, for starting off the show. Up next is Eric, who's also a supporter on the Discord server. He's currently going to school, but works at a pumpkin patch on the side to save some moolah to fuel his setup project. And well, after 1 year and 2 months, he has finally finished his dream setup.